Good morning to everyone. First of all, introduce myself. I am Dr. Saravanan, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Zoology, Sri Vidya Madri Arts and Science College, Kateri. Today we are going to discuss about study of arthropods. The arthropods, one of the major phylum of animal kingdom. The first is studied by the Aristotle. What do you mean by arthropods? The arthropods, one of the Greek word, the arthro means jointed and poda means legs. It is the 80% of all species, known species of animal arthropods. Our next topic, the general characters of arthropods. The arthropods cosmopolitan in distributions like the aquatic, terrestrial and aerial forms. Some are ectoparasite animals and a vector of disease. The body have jointed appendages or legs which are modified to the different structures to perform different functions like the jaws, gills, walking legs, pedals. They have maybe 3 pairs of 4 pairs and 5 pairs and etc. And body bilateral symmetrical bodies, and next the body is divided into the 3 region: head, thorax and abdomen. And crustacean arachnids is different compared to the insect. The body is divided into the cephalothorax. Which one? Crustaceans. What do you mean by cephalothorax? The cephalothorax, head and thorax region fused together, that is called cephalothorax. It present in the crustacean and arachnids. The crustacean is good example, crab and frog. And arachnids is good example, spider. Okay. Next, this is the well-developed group of true head region and head sense organ and feeding organs specialization for their particular habitats. They are hemocoelomids. Coelom, it is the body cavities. It is filled with fluids or bloods. The head bears a pair of compodyes and antenna. Locomotion takes place by jointed appendages. And digestive system is completed and well developed of digestive system of arthropods. And circulatory system, it is the open types of circulation system. Do not having blood vessels, and the blood or enters directly into the body chambers. The blood is maximum colorless bloods. So excretion takes place through the Malpighian tubules. And aquatic and terrestrial is different. Aquatic is aminotelectic excretion, and terrestrial animals takes in the excretions uricotelic of excretions. The mouth parts are modified for chewing, biting, sponging, piercing and siphoning types of mouth parts based on the habitats of animals. And respiration takes place by the general body of the surface takes place by the habitats or gills. In gills of a respiration system in crustaceans animals. And sexual or unisexual or sexes are separate. Male and female animals are separate. Fertilization, internal and external fertilizations. They are either oviporous and oviviviporous. The development of maybe direct and indirect. Sense organ includes antenna, sensory hairs for touch and chemoreceptors simple and compound eyes and auditory organ are present in the each animals. Next, some of the system which makes the insect of any unique, like that digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system, respiration system. First of all, the major digestive system. The digestive system is basically a tube that runs through the middle of the bodies. It consists of foregut, midgut, stomach, and hindgut. The excretory system is made up of Malpighian tubules, which functions similar to our kidneys, which removes the waste from the insect body through the hindgut. Next, circulatory system. The circulatory system is a open types that is not confined to arteries and veins. Hemolymph, the insect blood. The insect blood is called hemolymph. It is circulated through the body cavity by a dorsal heart and short aorta. The blood is picked up in the abdomen and carried forward to the head, where to flows back into the body cavities. Nervous system. Nervous system that consists of small brain in the head region that is connected by a double nerve cord to a series of ventral ganglia or nerve center located in the several segments of the bodies. And finally, the respiration system. The insect do not having lungs. They breathe passively, diffusion of oxygen in and carbon dioxide out through a system of tubules is called trachea. The trachea to the outside through the spiracle. Inside the body, the trachea branches into fine tubules is called tracheoles, which provide oxygen to the cell. Next, the phylum Arthropods classes divided the following classes. The 6 classes is there. First one, Oncophora, Arachnida, Crustacea, Ciliopoda, Diplopoda, Insecta or Exopoda. First thing is class 1, Oncophora. Oncophora, terrestrial inhabited animal. The body is not divided into the distinct region. Then one pair of antennae is present and many pair of unjointed legs is present. Is good example, peripatus. Breathing are through the trachea. The next class is arachnids. The body is into the cephalothorax. Cephalothorax is jointed, head region and thorax region, it is fused. And abdomen is present. The 4 pair of walking legs are present. True jaws are absent. True jaws, what do you mean by jaws? The help of